Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 setup failed error 0x80240017. So to resolve this problem you can try some method. First one, click on start and search control panel. Open control panel. Select category. Now select uninstall program. In this list, select Microsoft Visual C++ 2015, then uninstall. Click on Start, Settings. Here click on Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, and run Troubleshooter on Windows Update. And follow the instruction which you see in this display. Now, third method, rename folder distributor. So search CMD, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now here type net space stop WUAU SERV, then press enter. Now here press Windows key plus R, type %sign WINDIR %sign. Click on OK. Now here find out folder. This one, software distribution. Right click on it, rename with any name. It will ask permission, so click on yes. Now again open this run command as administrator. Now this time type net start WUAU SERV, then press enter. Now close and restart. Fourth method, you can try disable any antivirus. If you are using any third-party antivirus, or disable that. And try to install Visual C++ and try to install. Now click on start, search here msconfig. Now fifth method you can try, click on start, search msconfig. Open system configuration. Now here click on startup. Now here click on boot. Now here click on services. Check this box, hide all Microsoft services. Now just click on disable all. Click on apply. Now here click on Startup, open Task Manager. Now here click on Startup Apps and disable apps which you enabled here. So any application you see the enabled, so select and disable that. Now here find out any application which is enabled, select it, disable. Now close Task Manager. Now here click on OK and restart your system. Now last method you can try to resolve this problem. Open File Explorer. Now here this PC, right click on your C drive, Properties. Here click on Tools. Then here click on Check. Click on Scan Drive. And complete this scanning. And once this complete, so restart your system and open any browser. Now here search Microsoft Visual. Microsoft Visual C++ 2015. Click on this official link. Now here click on this button, download. Now select the file as your requirement, as your system, 64 or 32-bit. Then click on next and install. So hopefully guys, using this method you can fix and resolve Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 setup problem. Thanks for watching and comment guys any method work for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.